Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Now today I have a really nice and passive money making app for you guys today that lets you make money just by walking. Now this is something that most of us do every single day, and it's also something that many of our phones already track for us, so there's not much extra effort that you have to do in order to use this application and to make money. Also, in addition, if you have, let's say, an Apple Watch or a Fitbit, those also track your steps, and they're another way that you can use to increase your the amount of money that you make from this application. But before I continue, if you want more awesome money-making videos showing how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Alright, so the app I want to show you guys today is called Achievement, and you can see it right here in the top left corner of my screen. So now let's go into it. And now when you first open up this app, you're going to be brought into this home page, and you can see how many points you have in the top of the screen. And now if you click on the points, then it's going to tell you how far away you are from 10,000. And when you reach 10,000 points, that's when they're going to pay you $10. And I believe they pay you through PayPal. So it's a great payment method. That means you can use it as if it's real money, and you can put it into your bank account, or you can spend it online, or you can do whatever you want with that money because it's not limited to a certain store. Now, like I said, the way that you earn more points, at least consistently, is by exercising or by walking. And in order to do that, you have to connect an app. So in order to connect your app, you have to go into this middle tab here. And when you go here, you're going to be brought into a selection of different compatible apps that they have partnered with. And you can see that, for example, for me, I have my Apple Health app connected to it, but they have a selection of other apps that you can do too. So they have like Fitbit, as I said earlier. They have Garmin, they have Map My Fitness, all of these map apps. They have like even My Fitness Pal. They have Runkeeper, which I also use whenever I go on runs. So as long as you have these apps connected, then they're going to be able to track your steps. And the more steps that you do, like I said, then that means the more money that you're going to make from this application. Now, like besides the walking and the running, they have another way to make money, which is by doing surveys. And you can see that right here they do have questions about, for example, the coronavirus, and that's a survey. And over here they have a really simple question that you just have to answer, and you get an easy 5 points by doing that. So like, for example, are you currently enrolled or have enrolled in a clinical trial? So if I say no, then I got my 5 points. You can see that my points increased by 5. Very simple, very easy to do. And they have like quite a few of these too. So have you experienced flu symptoms? And if I say no, then you can see again, my points have increased by 5, and I am now at 110 total points. All right, so yeah, so they have the longer surveys as well, which I'm not going to go through, as you've probably seen all of these before. And you can also read about different articles that they've posted. So for example, here it says they crowdsourced self-care ideas, and you can discover some virtual resources and activities, and there's some other stuff there. And now the last thing that you can do to earn points is through this friend referral. And it says here that every time you refer a friend to the Achievement app, then you get 100 points when they sign up. So all you have to do here is just click on Refer Friends. And the maximum that you can have is 20. So once you get 20 or past 20, then you're not going to be able to earn any more referral bonuses. But if you do want to earn more, all you have to do is just take this code right here and just post it somewhere. So if you want, you can post it in the comments section below, and maybe other people will sign up using your link, or you both can sign up using each other's links, whatever. And it's a very easy way to get some more points super easily, because you're not really doing much else. You're letting someone else sign up under you. So yeah, that's really it for this app. There's not much to it, but it's also very simple and easy to use, which is really nice. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.